we won't be burned if we visit the sun. Not an ash when we have a stopover. In hell, we won't die for a holiday trip down the bed of the ocean. Not be scourged diving the crater. We won't expire when thrown to quicksand, nor a last breath won't ooze on the sky. We won't sleep on the cliff, nor be hurt in a rocky road, not to be impaired when fall, because we have a mom so true. You shield us from the wind, a shelter from the rain, spring of water in a dry land, shade in a weary granite, a blossoming garden in a desert soil. The secrets of our hearts are not hidden now. Oh, my mom, it's your dazzling day. It's time to shout for joy, to sing and dance, and you, the audience, having fun, adoring your name. You are our mother, a fountain of grace, your voice over the woods for us, a sure foundation of all, sweet smelling scent that remains. Your handed news is goodly urged to all. As we have heard, so we have seen. Souls are humbled in the dust, body are smashed on the ground. But we won't be in the same as you are not vain. Just relying on your blessed name. Let's celebrate your glorious name. The holiest one among women. I'm very proud that you are my mom. How I wish when I open my eyes, I am in your paradise where I can see you face to face, then hug you tight. Only then I know I am saved. I know I'm saved. I know I am saved.